Hey guys, Ford36 here, and today we're going to be firing up the old riding lawnmower. Now, since this would be a lot more short if I just fired it up, I'm going to give you a little bit of history about it. We got this mower, and it was a barn find because it had been in a barn. That I think either one of those tires were completely flat. We took one tire off of a different mower, put it on there, that was good. And now this tire decided to give up on us. So, yeah. We originally got it, and it fired right up. Problem was, it had burned so much oil that it would literally fog up the street in about a matter of 20 seconds. 15 tops. And so, it was a head gasket, obviously. It was burning oil. So we simply just replaced the head gasket, and it no longer burnt oil. But then one day I decided to, you know what? I'm going to mow the lawn with this today. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Well, it's a good thing I did it that day with this mower, and not with anything else, because then I soon found out when I fired it up, it was making a weird noise. Not knowing what it was, I just continued with my work until about maybe 10 minutes in. The engine just, it went from running to just completely, it was as if it seized up. And what actually happened was the connecting rod for the piston to the crank, it completely busted in half, and that's what made the engine stop so abruptly. And we found one that, from the same person who we got this from, had another block with everything that we needed. So, we just put that stuff on, and yeah, it even has a car filter, oil filter on it from a car, which is cool. And yeah, we do have the front for it, but we don't have the hood for it. And let's see if I can remember. All I need to do is put this fully choked, and I need to press that down to start it. I turned the key off. Alright, we're going to try this again.
All the way up.
Yep. Alright guys, so if you thought the video was over, it is not. You have this Briggs & Stratton Aries tiller made in Wisconsin, USA. So yeah, we're gonna fire it up. Yeah, right. Fired. This is all the way out, choke's all the way out. So that. Alright, simple. Ooh. Huh.
Full throttle it.
Got it full throttled. Huh.
Firing.
It is. Ooh, fired. Really never fires up that easily. Most of the time it needs loads of ether. It was really hard to fire up last year. That was way too easy. I think it's time we pull out the bush mower. Alright. See if the lawnmower will fire up. Wow, that was really easy as well. I'd say the hardest thing to start out of 3 of these was that. And that wasn't even that terribly hard. But anyway, now this is the end of the video. So, yes, thanks for watching.